Good evening, Waterloo alumni, professors, honored guests. Now, as it's all been a while since we've been out of school, I'm sure we've forgotten how to sit through one of our lovely professors' lengthy lectures, so I'll keep it brief tonight with 3 short messages. First, a heartfelt thanks. Second, a word of encouragement. And third, a round of congratulations. Above all, we are gathered here tonight to say thank you. Thank you to our parents and our families for holding us up throughout the years. Thank you to our peers and our friends for keeping us company along the way. Thank you to our mentors and our firms for their support and guidance. And last, but certainly not least, thank you to the professors in the room here today who have put so much effort into preparing us. Without you, we might not be here today celebrating our success. So please accept my heartfelt thanks for all of your help. Thank you. Now, moving on to a word of encouragement, an observant fellow CFE writer made an interesting observation. The CFE truly was a good representation of what we might face in our careers. Not for its weakness implication recommendation format or its case plan approach, but rather because it reflects a constantly changing and unpredictable world. Our world today is more uncertain than ever before, with the advent of data processing, globalization, and ever further technological advancements reshaping it on a daily basis. However, I know that each and every one of you will be more than capable of adapting and thriving in what is to come. Not simply because you passed an exam, but rather because I have had the privilege of working beside you for the last 5 years. You all truly are some of the most dedicated and capable individuals that I have had the pleasure of meeting. And that brings us to the last item of the night, congratulations. You are all to be congratulated for an exceptional effort and hard work, a sentiment that I am sure you've all heard before, but one that still bears repeating. You have completed an incredibly grueling 3-day exam, mastered the esoteric depths of IFRS 9, and braved some minor technical difficulties. From the bottom of my heart, congratulations. It has been a pleasure to have worked and learned beside all of you for the last 5 years. And for both those of you who I have not met and those of you who I have, I look forward to what the next 5, 10, 20 years will bring for each and every one of you. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a wonderful night.